Barometer secrets for fishing. The pressure curve that tells you when fish will bite. Hey friends, it's Sam Lee here. Listen, stop blaming the water temperature. Stop bragging about your secret bait recipe. After a lifetime sitting by the water, I've learned one hard truth. Fish don't bite because of luck, they bite because of pressure, atmospheric pressure. Yesterday you were catching nonstop. Today not a single nibble? Pull out your phone and look at that wavy, barometric pressure chart. Your answer's right there. So today I'm sharing the 5 Barometer Fishing Codes I've discovered from real experience. Think of it as your treasure map to full nets and happy reels. Let's dive in. Code 1. The swim bladder, a fish's built-in pressure sensor. Every fish has this little organ called a swim bladder, right? It's how they rise and sink. But it's more than that. It's like a pressure detector. When the pressure is high and steady, the water's rich in oxygen, the fish feel comfortable, relaxed, and ready to eat. But when the pressure drops, oxygen levels fall. It's like someone put a pillow over their mouths. Their swim bladders start working overtime to balance the change, and the fish just want to rest. So on low pressure days, don't expect much, even gold plated bait. 1 Thelp. Code 2. The golden zone, 1010 to 1020 HPA. After years of fishing logs, I found my magic number. 1010 to 1020 HPA. That's the 5-star hotel for freshwater fish. If the barometer stays in that zone for a day or two, get ready for a feeding frenzy. 2 bonus signals to watch. Slow climb. 1-2 HPA per hour means better oxygen, better mood, perfect time to fish. Gentle wobble within 3 HPA. Don't panic, small fluctuations keep fish active and curious. Big spikes or drops? That's trouble. But steady or softly rising pressure, that's go time. Code 3. When to pack up and go home. Some barometer signals are clear red flags. When I see them, I don't even unpack my rods. Vertical dive, -3 HPA or hour. That's a weather crash, storm, heavy rain, or cold front coming. Fish go into sleep mode. Below 990 HPA, low oxygen. Super light bites, almost impossible to detect. Above 1030 HPA, too much pressure. Fish move up toward the surface or shallows. So bottom fishing is nearly useless. Sometimes the best move is to save your bait and go grab a coffee. Code 4. Not all fish handle pressure the same. Different species react differently. Some are divas, others are tanks. Type examples: behavior sensitive, surface silver carp, grass carp, first to stop biting when pressure drops. Medium mid-depth crucian, bream, sink deeper to avoid discomfort. Tough bottom carp, catfish, barely affected, great targets during low pressure. Special case snakehead, breeds air, doesn't care about pressure at all. So when all else fails, aim for the catfish or go hunt some snakehead. Code 5. Read the trend then adjust. The pressure chart isn't there to scare you, it's there to guide your tactics. Here's how to use it smartly. Watch the past 12 hours. Is it rising, falling, or steady? Then adjust. Rising pressure, fish are comfortable, go deeper. Falling pressure, fish need oxygen, go shallower. Stable pressure, fish are calm, fish your normal depth and keep your rhythm. Bait flavor matters too. High pressure, use mild, natural scent baits. Low pressure, go strong, heavy scent. More protein, wake them up. Remember, pressure sets the mood, but water flow, temperature, and location still matter. Find a lively backwater or oxygen-rich area, and you can still crush it, even on a low-pressure day. Final words. Learn to read that barometer like Amap It Sayur. Hidden treasure chart for fishing success. Master these 5 codes, and you'll start fishing with confidence, not guesswork. Alright anglers, do you check the pressure before heading out, or just go by feel? Drop your thoughts and your favorite weather fishing tricks in the comments. And if this helped you crack the code, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, so you don't miss the next deep dive into fishing science made simple. Till next time, stay sharp, stay curious. And tight lines, everyone.